In this week's video, we're going to learn how to read Hangul. So Hangul has a few unique features, such as double consonants, which is 쌍자음, and diphthongs, which is 이중모음, and some pronunciation rules. So we go through each one to make it easy to understand. Every Hangul syllable is like a puzzle made of consonants and vowels that fit together in a block. So here's the basic pattern. When you're about to pronounce Hangul, you should start with the initial consonants. So for example, 강, you have this gu sounds, initial consonants here. So you have to pronounce it first. This is the first sound you make. And after that, follow with the vowel. You should pronounce vowel here together. Remember, alone initial consonants can make any kind of word, so you have to combine vowel together. So this vowel is a. So for example, combine this g sounds here and combines a sounds here. This is ka. And if needed, you should add a final consonant if there is one. So this may slightly change the sound of the syllable. So for example, this ng sounds, ing, ng, final consonants. You should add ng sounds at the last part of the syllable, and that makes 강. So it is important to pronounce each consonant and vowels in succession. This is the way to pronounce Hangul. And double consonants are pronounced with a stronger or more tense sound. So in English, it's similar to putting more emphasis on the letter. The double consonants in Hangul are g, d, b, s, z. So when you look at the double consonants, its shape is combining these basic consonants together, like this, and last one this. It means that the double consonants have stronger and more tense sounds. So once again, hear the pronunciation. G, d, b, s. So try to say the consonants with a little more force. So for example, g sounds, g, like a stronger version of 기억, g sounds, so similar to skate in K. So let's pronounce each double consonants. And diphthongs are a combination of two vowel sounds in a single syllable, like wa, wa, we, we. So they're similar to English for blunt like I in rain, a sounds. The diphthongs, for the diphthongs, look at the table below. Thus diphthongs, pronounced like e. The composition of this a sounds is combining a sounds and e sounds, pronounced in succession, like I, e. So like a sounds in apple. And another one, this, e, is quite similar sound with this a sounds, like not exactly same, but similar. So, composition of the diphthongs is combine o and e. So for example, like a sounds in egg. And another one, this sounds like wa. So composition of the diphthongs is combining o sounds and a sounds. So like when you pronounce in the succession, That's gonna be wa, 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 wa. So like wa as in water, wa. And another one, the sounds, it's gonna be we, we. So composition of the diphthongs is combining o sounds and a sounds. So when you pronounce it in succession, it's gonna be we, 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 we. It goes naturally combined with we. So, for example, like we sounds in way, wa sounds in way. And another one, it's quite similar to above one. This is way. So the composition of the diphthongs is combining o sounds and e sounds. It goes like we, 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 we. So like we sound in wet. It's quite similar with we and we. You're not gonna notice any difference, right? And for the case of wa, it is combined with u and o. So like wa, 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 wa. So like wander, for example, the wander, the wo sounds in wander is the wa sounds. And for the case of we, it is quite similar, and it is exactly same with we here, we sounds. So you're gonna notice that it's gonna be ue, we. So like we sounds in wedding. Of course, we sound in wet. So you have to notice that there's 3 diphthongs sounded like same, exactly same. So next one, we. It is the combination of u and e sound. So like we. So we as in week is the pronunciation of we sounds. And last one, 의. It is quite hard to pronounce, but listen carefully. 의. So it goes like 의. So like this 의 sounds. Like I can't exactly express in English, but listen carefully again. 의. Pronounce U and E sound in succession fastly. That's gonna be 의 sound. So let's review. You're gonna notice that this sound and this sound are exactly same or similar, and these 3 sounds are exactly same or similar. So you have to find out the all kind of different shape of the diphthongs, even though it sounds like same. And the syllable final consonant rule states that when a consonant appears at the end of the syllable in Hangul, it is pronounced in a specific way. So there are 7 basic consonant sounds that are used in 받침 position. Remember, 받침 is the final consonants, and regardless of how the consonants is written. So including the double consonants, you have to memorize this very thoroughly. This is a very important rule when you pronounce 받침. So if g sounds, and k sounds are at the 받침, it goes like k sounds. For example, like when you notice that this kind of word is existed, then this g sounds goes like just k sounds. Like it is exactly same sound with kak only. And of course, this is b sounds here, and a sounds here, and k sounds here, but it goes like g sounds. So like exactly same with pak. Easy. And for the case of the n sounds, it is also pronounced as n at the bottom, at the 받침. So like, for example, this word, it goes like a sounds here, and n sounds here. So an. It is same. And for the case of d sound, c sound, s sound, z sound, chi sound, t sound, and h sound, it goes like all d sound. So for example, like one of these, this one, this is j sound, ta, and this ta. And for the case of c sound, it was supposed to be go like chas, but it is not chas. It is same with d sounds, so it goes like chat. It is not difficult. And for the case of l sound, it goes like l, exactly same. And for the case of m sounds, it goes like m, exactly same also. And for the case of b sounds and p sounds, it goes all b sounds. So like, for the case of this word, it was supposed to be b sounds and a sounds and p sounds, but it goes like bop. Not bop, but pop. You have to notice that. And when this ng sounds comes at the 받침, it goes like ng. Exactly same. So we just finished how to read Hangul in Week 4 video today. So you have to practice and review it thoroughly with textbook. Thank you.